my channel, everyone. Today we are doing something a little bit different. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to achieve this makeup look using the Proceed with Caution palette. Makeup Shayla, she's one of my favorite YouTubers. Her blush, her lipstick, her, what else does she have? You guys get it. We'll be using everything. So if you want to get this look, stay tuned. First, I'm going in with the shade Caution and placing that in and above my crease. Next, I'm taking the shade Culture and blending that directly in. We're going to use a little bit of setting spray for some shimmer, and I'm going in with the shade Drill. The names of these eyeshadows, I absolutely love them. And the pigmentation is bomb. Next, I'm going back in with the shade Caution, just so things aren't too peachy. And then I'm taking this crease brush and just going back in with the shade Culture, just to add some depth to the outer corner. And then we're going to take this pretty maroonish red color Maintenance and add that to the outer corner as well. Next, we're going to blend everything out and then take this crease brush and add more of Maintenance into the other inner eye corner. And then you want to take that up and blend that into your crease and connect those lines. You guys know what's next. Blend that right out so the lines aren't too harsh there. Now we're going back in with the shimmery shade Drill just to create a halo effect on this eye. Then I'm going to use this angled brush and the shade Caution to line my lower lid. The eye look is complete. Now let's get to the rest of this face. I'm going to take this fluffy brush and just dust away all of that setting powder. I'm going in with my favorite powder, the Maybelline Fit Me Pressed Powder in the shade 330. I'm going to take the darkest shade from my Tartiest Pro Remix palette. You guys, this palette is so old, but fun fact, this was also a Makeup Shayla collab, and we are going to use this to contour. Now we're going to warm things up a little bit more with my other favorite pressed powder, the Maybelline Fit Me Pressed Powder in the shade 360. I'm also going to take this Mary Kay loose setting powder in the shade Bronze 3. Oh my goodness, you guys. Went in a little too much there, so we're just gonna go to the other side first. Go in lightly, then blend it out. Don't do what I just did here because, look, the struggle. I'm gonna take this big fluffy brush just to blend all of my problems away, guys. I'm going to contour my nose using the same Maybelline Fit Me powder in the shade 360. I know I use like 3 powders to contour and warm up my face, but we're not going to do that with the nose, so don't worry. This shade is the only shade that we'll be using. Just so you know, blending beneath your lip gives you a little pout, and also the Cupid's bow just makes your, makes your lips pop. I didn't add any additional product, but I'm just taking this contour brush to blend out my nose contour, my chin contour, all that good stuff. Now it's time for my favorite eyeliner, the Milani Stay Put Matte Eyeliner. I'm using the Urban Decay Glide On eye pen, and this is a really nice eye pen, but I will tell you guys one thing. It really does glide right on. You will see what I'm talking about very soon here. And there it is. I don't know what was with me this day, but we're gonna fix this too. Another makeup tip for all of y'all out there. Just take a clean, dry Q-tip and wipe the mess away. That's it. If you didn't mess up your makeup, you can skip this step, but I'm going to reapply caution on my lower lid. I'm hitting my lashes with the Maybelline Big Shot Mascara, also a Makeup Shayla collab. I told y'all, she's one of my favorite YouTubers. The support is real. Now this collection does come with 2 blushes, but I'm using the blush in the shade Construct because it's a bit more neutral than the other one. Then we're going to highlight using this e.l.f. Cosmetics highlighter. I think these are both e.l.f. Cosmetics highlighters, but I usually just mix them all together. Blend them all in, highlight popping, boom. As always, I'm going to take the highlighter and put it in the tear duct of my eyes. Then just to make that shimmer pop a little more, I'm going in with the shade Dead End. I'm also going to add this to my nose highlight as well. Then we're going to seal the deal with the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. And for lips, I'm going to use the Slowdown Lip Bundle Duo. This lippy is a lot more neutral than the other one, and we're already doing a lot with the eyes, so we're going to slow down and keep things neutral. That is the final look, guys. Let me know what you think, and be sure to comment your favorite product from this collection below. I'll see you guys next time.